Okay, hello, welcome to Peterson Chevrolet. This is Jonathan Lewis here at Peterson. I wanted to take some time here and show you this very special Avalanche. This is a 2013, which is the last year they were doing the Avalanche, and they called the last year Avalanche the Black Diamond Edition. This Avalanche is in almost pristine condition. It is an LTZ, which is the top trim level. It is fully equipped. People love the Avalanche. You get the utility of a truck, the comfort of an SUV, the power of a truck. The LTZ adds adaptive suspension. Now we have just reduced the price on this one. We've reduced it down to $35,000, which is an amazing deal for this pristine Avalanche. The LTZ trim level adds navigation, a sunroof, heated and cooled seats, power seats, rear seat entertainment. And for a 2013 vehicle, like I said, this is in almost pristine condition. The leather looks very good, very clean. Of course, you have four-wheel drive, automatic lights, heated steering wheel, navigation, adjustable pedals, rear view camera, fully loaded 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche Black Diamond Edition. This one is a must-buy. Not only is it in almost pristine condition, but it also has under, I want to say 50,000, but I think it's just over 50,000 miles. It's actually right at 50,000 miles. Very low miles for an SUV. Great condition, low price. I've talked to several Avalanche owners, and they actually put those seats down and open the middle part there. You can get access to the trunk or the truck bed. Huge cargo space. So, utility of a truck, comfort of an SUV, can't beat it. Thank you for watching.